Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to another week of the Daily Market Outlook video. Today we'll cover the DXY, Euro USD, and GBP USD pairs. But for starters, we're just going to jump over to the Forex calendar here and just have a look. We've got a pretty volatile week this week, so just be very careful if you are going to be looking at taking any trades this week. Me personally, I don't generally like to take the risk, especially when there's weeks like this where we've got CPI, core CPI news at the start of the New York session. And then we've got another core CPI news again on the USD pairs, FOMC meetings, and coming back down. Then we've got more unemployment claims and retail sales and stuff on Thursday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are going to be very volatile for the price action. Can get a few areas that would normally hold as support that can get invalidated, but then quickly bought back up and whatnot. So for me, as I trade, it's it's not worth the risk. But if you are looking at trading, I would recommend definitely managing your risk on a week like this week. So anyway, we'll jump on and we'll do some technical analysis here. Anyway, so basically, we can see here on the DXY, we've been pushing up, and then over the past couple of weeks, we've had this bearish formation forming. Now, last week we did obviously get a pull down. We did, we'll just double check there. But yes, we did break that low, as you can see, and now we have sort of been range bound a little bit. That second has not broken that low yet. So we'll expect, obviously, 4 hour being bearish, that we are going to continue bearish. Come back out to our candles here. So at this point in time, this high here is obviously still valid. We've got a big bit of supply there. And if we draw that out, we can see that that has been tapped now. So whether we get a further impulse up into that area or not, if we draw a fib on that area, we'll see how far we've come up. We have hit 50% as well. So it could continue just to fall from here based on today's news out of the US. But for me, we'll jump down onto the 15-minute here. 15-minute is, we have flipped bullish here with this impulse down, and then we've come back up and broken this high through here. So basically, we would love to see a break of the low, come up, retest, and go short from there. Don't really want to be taking anything from up here to go short without first getting that break confirmation back down to say that this was a liquidity grab. So yeah, basically looking for shorts here at the moment. So that break of low there, and then if the opportunity comes for the retest around that center line, go short from there. We'll move over to Euro USD. Euro. So 4 hour here on the Euro, again, obviously inverted. We see here we had that break of structure. We've come back down. We held this wick low that we drew out last week here. We obviously tapped into there, had a reaction, came down a little bit further, had a reaction, and then finally got that reaction out of there. We have come up and broken, claimed that high there. So we have got that bullish formation. We have had a pullback here, but it did not quite come down and touch the 50% there. So we need to assume, depends on where you take it from though, because if you take it from down here, hasn't hit the 50%, but we see we pulled up, we've pulled back down again and then gone long. So we could actually shorten that up to there, which means it has tapped the 50%. We've then gone long from there. We've come up and we have not, see how we've set this high. We've had this pull down, but we have not broken, that impulse has not broken. So our valid low is down here in this Friday's Asian range. So looking at that, we have a couple of areas here that we could be looking for. We have an area down here that we could be looking to go long for. Demand area there. And if we So that'll be our 4-hour demand area. And then we have obviously this pullback down. And again, we could probably take this whole candle here as well, which makes it a pretty big zone. So I would recommend jumping down on lower timeframes to consolidate that down. So you can see we've had a pull down into here. We've tapped this area a couple of times. This is that 4-hour demand there. So we could actually come a little bit lower there. And then we would have another zone just below that last impulse down there. So pretty well anything below the Asian range today, if you were to get that pullback, would definitely be a good area to go long from there. Or, you know, failing that, we get a impulse up, pull back down, and go long from there. If we get an internal structure start to form there, then great, that'd be a great place to go long from there as well. But definitely a long bias on euro today. Again, this could all be fully invalidated by the news coming out of the US. So if we get good positive news, we could see a very quick drop in the euro. So over to GU. Looking here on the 4-hour, again, we've had a pull down. So we had this range here, broke the range, come up, come down, swept the liquidity low on that range into that last area there. And now we're looking to go long. So price action here is we've pushed up, we've come back down, we've tapped that area, we've then bounced a couple of times and we've come long. So we've actually broken structure through here. We've broken that high through there. So now we've had this pull back. So basically what we're looking for now is that pullback enough? Based on the euro analysis and stuff at the moment, I would definitely be assuming that we are going to be going long at the moment. So come down here, we can see we've had a massive pull down on the 15-minute chart here at the end, and then we've started the week just reclaiming a bit of that. So again, basically just be looking for a push up, a midline retest, and a go long from there. Or we may see a pullback, come down lower, find support down here in these areas down here. Find support there and go long from there. So anyway, guys, again, please manage your risk if you are looking to trade today. Yeah, with all that news, and happy trading if you are trading. And yeah, I'll see you again on tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.